Hello everyone and welcome to this series of Real Mom interviews by newmomlife.com. Today we'll be interacting with Medha. Medha is a B.Ed and at present working in a private company. Medha got married in an early age when she was just about 19 years old. Medha is blessed with two lovely daughters, Mannat, who is 14 years old, and Maisa, who is 11 years old. Mannat is also blessed with a boy, Ansh, who is 7 years old. In this interview, Medha shares with us her take on parenting girls versus boys and how she keeps the bond between her three children strong. So let's interact with Medha. So hello Medha and welcome to this series of Real Mom interviews by newmomlife.com. How are you doing?
I'm fine. Thank you, Gitika, and thank you for having my interview. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, so before proceeding with this video recording, I would definitely like to mention that I will be recording this particular interview and uploading it on my YouTube channel and the website that we manage. So are you fine with it?
Okay.
So are you fine with it? Shall we proceed with the recording?
Yeah.
Okay,
fine.
Great. So let's start with the interview. So the first question for you is that most of the moms would also like to know who become mothers at a very young age, that you also became a mom, at such a young and a tender age. So how did you actually manage this new responsibility?
Okay. I become a mother at the age of I married in the age of 19 and got my first child when I was only just 21. So being a single child is very difficult for me to manage because I have no siblings, and it will be very difficult for me to have a little one in my hand. But it's a great feeling when I hold my daughter. I feel like out of the world. What thing I have in my hands, I can't describe even.
Such a beautiful answer you have given. Thank you so much. Okay. So the next question for you is that you are a proud mom of 3 kids. You are blessed with son as well as 2 daughters.
Yes.
So how do you keep them together and how do you make their bond stronger, that they keep tied to each other? How do you try that?
I make sure that first of all they respect each other.
Very nice.
They know elder sister is जो सबसे बड़ी है. The younger one should respect her.
Yes.
And if I'm not in the home as I'm working, अगर वो कुछ उनको कमांड दे रही है, तो अगर वो हाँ नहीं कर रहे तो उसको ना भी मत करे.
Very good.
और यही अगर उस बड़ी है तो उसका ये नहीं है कि वो उनको प्रेशराइज करे कि you have to do this work as I am elder than you have to do this work. वो चीज भी नहीं है. एक लव बॉन्डिंग थोड़ी सी है कि जो भी है काम you have to share the work, whether like sharing your things, like your stationery or something, your toys. So the bonding, they keep on bonding with like these things only. They keep on sharing their food items, especially
like
whatever they other like. जैसे one like the chocolate, one like the ice cream flavor, vanilla flavor, and another one the chocolate one. So you have to keep interchange with each other to make them happy.
Oh my God. आपको पता है मैं अभी आपसे एक क्वेश्चन ही पूछने लगी थी कि क्या वो चॉकलेट शेयर कर लेते हैं? And you answered my question so well.
They definitely share their chocolates, but on the condition is that when you give my कि अपना फोन मुझे यूज करने दोगे, can you give me your data? On some conditions also.
बट आपने कितनी अच्छी चीज सिखाई है उनको. वेरी नाइस. ये कौन आया था पीछे? ये आपका बेटा है? उसको बुलाओ जरा. हेलो.
Yes, he's my son.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hi.
She's
How
my
are you?
daughter.
Okay. Hi.
And
How
my
are you?
son. Say hi.
Hello.
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 Yes.
My name is Anshkai.
Okay. Very nice name. I liked it. Okay, great to see them. चलो. So the third
Thank
question
you.
for you is कि आपके बच्चे आपस में डेफिनेटली फाइट्स करते होंगे, है ना? तो आप वो कैसे मैनेज करते हो? कैसे करते हो? Please tell.
I used to give them bribe. If you don't fight, I will give you this. if you listen to each other, I will give you
Very
this.
nice, very
तो
nice.
कई बार क्या होता है कि अकेले अकेले एक एक के कान में I used to say I will give you this if you don't fight and
Wow.
keep quiet. So the second child was like, Mama क्या दे रहे हो उसको? I know that you are giving him right. So like इस तरह से थोड़ा सा मैनेज हो जाता है.
Wow.
They used to fight, but वो ये है कि the bonding बनाने के लिए उनको थोड़ा
हाँ.
bright करना पड़ता
बहुत
है.
मेहनत करते
बड़ी
हो आप.
दीदी है ये. Yeah, sure. यही है बस.
चलो ठीक है. So the next question for you is कि as you're working also है ना, and you have very busy schedule. So how do you try and keep yourself calm and how do you manage these all things? How do you do that?
Kritika, it's a very difficult task as the three of them are, one is a teenager and one is like the smallest one is just 7. Excuse me. There is a huge differentiate in the age group. So I used to try कि इनका जो है थोड़ा सा इनकी भी help लूँ मैं. To like cleaning up their own rooms and managing their own things. मेरी ये होती है कि ट्राई कि इनको थोड़ा सा इनको एक एक थोड़ी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दूं कि दिस वर्क यू हैव टू डू इट योरसेल्फ. आई एम देयर फॉर यू बट यू हैव टू डू इट फॉर योर मॉम so that I can have some time for my own self, like just to have a relax, just to have have a cup of tea. When I'm having a cup of tea, at least at silently, at least you clean up your table and just do little things for me so that my routine will be easier. I get up early in the morning and used to do the breakfast. And as my daughter is the elder one, she used to cook a little bit of like sandwich and all that. She supports me a lot right now.
Very nice.
As I'm working after
very
my job,
nice. I think that's the wonderful thing. Very nice, very nice. तो आप कितना अच्छा सिखा रहे हो. I mean अपने kids को. Very nice. Hats off to you. Great. Okay. So the next question for you is, can you also share your routine with us? Just the routine that you follow throughout the day.
I used to try get up by 7:30. Right now, as these are lockdown time, now there is no school such. Earlier used to we get at 5:30. Now as the relaxation is there, school nahi hai, so by 7:30 used to get up. Just try to do my little things like preparing the breakfast and try to make a little bit of my lunch and try to make my daughters and kids wake up at by 8:30. Most likely late 8:30, 8:45, because as they are having their classes from 9:30, I try to, before going to my office, I make sure that they do their breakfast in front of me only. Whatever they want, I used to prepare. And as we am residing with my parents, so little bit help is a great help from there.
Yes.
From my parents' side, they used to take care of Casey. That's it. So lunch they will have their own sometimes, and in the evening I came by 7:30 from my office. Just have a cup of coffee or tea, and after that sabji banao and chapati, and try to be free up by 9. 8:30 or 9, so that I can have a 1 hour stretch, 1 to 1.5 hour stretch with the kids, like for the what the activity they have today, whatever the work from their school. We do like that, and after that 10:30 around I used to go to bed, or 10:45. Then listen to some music and just slept.
Go to sleep. Okay, great. Okay. So the next question for you is that you are blessed with a son also, and you have daughters as well. So do you do you think there is any difference in raising a son as compared to the daughters, between a boy and a girl? Raising, a boy and a girl versus.
For sure. Daughters are always dads. एक मतलब पापा की साइड ही लेनी है. whatever the thing is to be there. कई बार क्या होता है, we used to cook something delicious, तो little bit रहता है कि थोड़ा सा पापा के लिए जरूर रख लेना. जो होते हैं, I think son he more bonding with the mother, I suppose. In my case only. Rest I can't say, but मेरे केस में थोड़ी bonding ज्यादा है. तो जैसे कुछ है तो पापा से नहीं, वो मेरे से अपनी डिमांड्स पूरी करवा लेता है. Whereas my daughters dad से अपनी डिमांड्स पूरी करवा लेती हैं.
They are dad's favorite है ना, princess है. बेटियां तो पापा की princess होती हैं.
Seriously, they are princess and whatever. मम्मा तो मानेगी नहीं, पापा कोई
पापा मानेंगे, बिल्कुल मानेंगे. Okay. पापा ने तो हर चीज मान लेनी है उनकी. बिल्कुल. चलो, great. Okay, so the next question for you is, do you also involve your son Anj in any of the tasks, household tasks, or need any type of task with you?
Yes, definitely. सबसे पहले तो उसको ये होता है कि just if you have studied your work, you have done your work, अपना जो स्टडी टेबल है उसको मैनेज करो, उसको टेबल को बुक्स वगैरह जो पढ़ ली है पुट इट इन द बैक ड्रॉअर में डालो, टेक योर अपना जो ड्रॉअर है उसको प्रॉपर नीट एंड क्लीन करके पेंसिल्स वगैरह जो बाहर इरेजर्स वगैरह पड़ी होती है उसको मैनेज करो। एंड समटाइम्स आई यूज्ड टू से कि लाइक अगर यू आर सिटिंग एट होम, सारे बैठे हैं तो दीदी बैठी, दीदी को पानी ला के दे दो, मतलब कि छोटी छोटी चीज होगी है। अगर आपने कुछ चीज गेर दी है तो आई हैव टोल्ड देम कि देयर इज अ डस्टर, दिस इज अ पर्टिकुलर डस्टर व्हेन यू हैव टू, अगर आप कुछ ऐसा गेर देते हो तो आपने इसी से पूछना, आपने और कोई डस्टर को नहीं हाथ लगाना। तो ही यूज्ड टू डू लिटिल बिट ऑफ थिंग्स फॉर मी।
Okay, good. Okay, so the last question from our side would be that one thing that you find the best and one thing that you find the most difficult about motherhood.
See, Gitika, that being a single child, I'm a single child.
Okay.
I feel being a mother is a great blessing for me because I share a like sister bond also with my daughter, and she sometimes shares with the things which I used to share with my friends. Like we used to talk like friends only. And the difficult part is like the time management. I find it time management. I got very less time for myself, being a mother of 3 kids and working also. So this is the only thing I feel difficult being a motherhood. And the best thing is that blessed to have them.
Thank you. Okay, great. So thank you so much, Medha, for giving your precious time to us, accepting this invitation and giving this interview and beautifully answering all our questions and also sharing your...
Thank you so much, Gitika.
Thank you so much. You also shared your routine with us.
Thank you so much, Gitika.
Great. And I think the best thing is that how you are actually managing your 3 kids. So that's not an easy job that you are doing. And I would like every mother who would actually be seeing this interview to have some encouragement from basically from you. So great tips you have given. Thank you so much for being a part. Thank you again.